Hey guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I do a video using some of my Boxy Luxe products this month. I used the Hello Charmer palettes for the eyes. Pretty cute, right? I also used this Elizabeth Mott blush. Just using some of the stuff that I got in my Boxy Luxe this month. I'm gonna do a makeup look just reviewing the products because I have never used these products before and I like to review some of them before I do my reveal of what's in my box, if that makes sense. I don't know, I might switch it up to just opening it on camera, who knows, we'll see. So I have my base done and I need to put on some blush. So I got Show Me Your Cheeks by Elizabeth Mott. I believe I've used Elizabeth Mott products before. It's just like a cute, almost like a blush topper, really, if you can see it. But that's what we got, so that's what we're gonna use. This is the box that it came in, just simple. So it is peach pink, and it looks peach pink, so fair enough. Taking a dirty blush brush, I'm gonna dip into this color and put it on my cheeks. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. I like a lot of blush. Ooh, yes, perfect. Such a cute blush. It's like got a sheen to it. Great for summer. Although it's snowing in Portland right now, that's wild. I don't know, like, is the world coming to an end? Like, honestly. All right, so that's the blush. Definitely gonna probably be one of my go-tos, especially for summer, because it's nice and shimmery. Okay, so next I'm gonna dive into BoxyCharms has their very first eyeshadow palette. It is called Hello Charmers. This is the packaging, just cardboard packaging. It has a mirror, decent little mirror, and these are the colors that are in it. I think it's a pretty cute palette, to be honest. Let's swatch a couple. We're gonna swatch, I'm gonna do Premium, Charmer, and maybe Cup of Joe and Swipe Up. All right. Here is, which one is this? This is Cup of Joe. This is Premium. This is Charmer, right? Yeah. And this is Swipe Up, which is a little bit more gritty. It's more of a glitter, but really pretty. So I'm gonna take Boxy and just work that on the inner corner, kind of towards the middle of the lid. Or maybe all over the lid, the lower lid. Yeah. So the Hello Charmer palette is $39, which is kind of steep, and it's their first palette that they've put out. And then the Elizabeth Mott blush is $23, which is also kind of steep for a blush, but it is a good blush. But let's see how this palette works. So far the white color was a little bit dusty, so I'm gonna go into Premium, this yellow color. Quite a bit of kick up, like this color is getting into this shade over here. So I'm gonna jump into Spoiler next, just using the same brush. Really that color is not, I mean, it's almost the same as the first color I put on, but a little bit more orange. It's pretty, but I don't know how necessary it would be. Like maybe a different color could have been chosen. or just maybe that color and then not the yellow, because this one shows up a little bit better. I don't know. Like, it's a cute palette, but for almost 40 bucks, I don't know if I would have bought it on my own, if that makes sense. So just going into Cup of Joe with the same brush, layering that on. And it coats the brush pretty good. Habit to like tilt my head and shrug like a goblin, but I guess it is. This is Luxe and Sneak Peek. This gold color, I think I might have to go in with. That's really pretty. That's weird. I don't know if you can see, but it's like darkening where I dunked in with my brush in that color. I don't notice it too much on the other shades or at all really, but I don't know, it's weird. It almost looks like it got wet. Can you see from the side? I don't know, that's really weird. Whatever. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my lower lash line. Cup of Joe. I mean, I'm not mad at how they're performing, you know, and it's a cute little palette. All right, I might as well just jump into a little bit of this unboxing color and put that on my outer V. You definitely, if you want to deepen up any look, you would probably need another palette, because I mean, although it's really pretty, like I could see this being like a good summer vibe, you won't get like a very intense, like darker, or I don't know. You just would need another palette to darken it up, maybe like a darker brown, black, or even like this unboxing looks pretty, or looks kind of, well, it looks darker in person than it does on camera, but it's not really showing up a whole lot like that on the lid. I'm going to take this Luxe color and start putting that onto the lid. I'm going to take this little domed like brush and try to get that for like a gold inner corner moment. Might as well, right? I'm gonna try to build up a little bit of the outer V and put that a little bit under the lash line. Go over that with the clean blending brush. Oh, hey girl, this is cute. I'm gonna take that original dirty brush and dip it into the yellow and really kind of do the damn thing. Really just drag that down a lot lower. It's almost like little sunset moment. I don't know, it's cute. I'm not mad at it. I'm just gonna off camera toss on NYX Linen Inner Eye Brightener and mascara real quick, and I will be right back. All right, this is the look so far. I used Grande Lash Mascara, and then my favorite, these are my two favorites actually, Petite and Pretty Mascara. These are great. I love them. So let's move on to lips. I have a Peel Cosmetics gel liner, also from the BoxyCharm. Cost $21. It says long wearing waterproof formula glides onto lips or eyes. Wear up to 7 hours without having to reapply. It's super soft. Perfect. All right. And then I have the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment that costs $25. I try to get the whole outer thing off, but this is fucking ridiculous. Like, trying to pull those off, I hate it. And this does not really match this, but maybe it'll just give me like a guide to use, because this is a dark, not a darker color, really. It looks, I think it looks darker in the bottle, but it's like a pink. I don't know, not really like a, hold on, I'll have to put it on to show you. I'm just like not doing it any justice. So that's the lip liner color, which is really pretty. So I'm happy to get that, because even that all over your lips with like a gloss would be really cute. Pretty color, and it goes on really nice, really creamy. So I don't know if it'll last 7 hours, and I don't think I'm gonna wear it for 7 hours because it's like 7 at night. Spent all day on the phone with Expedia trying to cancel our vacation because of this virus, so that was fun. And I didn't get all my money refunded. I did get like some flight, I can reuse. I have flight credit to reuse, but I have to use that with like under a year's time, so it is what it is. So here's this color. Let me put it on my hand. It's like, it's really pretty, and it's pink, but it's a color that I'm thinking of that I can't, like magenta. Magenta, it's like magenta. So we're gonna wear a magenta lip. Honestly, whatever, or not, just leave it. Live your best sloppy life. All right, that is a lip, girl. Okay, I'm gonna clean up a little. All right, so this may not be an everyday color, but my lips look so nice. Like, it's a nice velvety looking formula. Like, it looks nice on the lips. So I probably wouldn't repurchase this color, but I would probably repurchase another color, because you don't need more than one of these colors, right? But it's pretty, like, I feel cute. Do you think I need highlight? Maybe I need highlight. Do a little bit of Rodeo Drive by Ofra. Okay, so this is the completed look. I like how it turned out. I don't know if I'd really go out on my own to buy that palette, but for coming in my BoxyCharm, I like it. I'll definitely use it again. I really like this gold color. I don't feel like I have one like this in my collection. I don't know, super cute. Like, I feel good about the look that I pulled off. The gel liner was a hit. The blush was super good. This lip is cute. It's just, like I said, probably not every day, but I feel good in it tonight, and I probably will wear it again, just not all the time. Anyhow, go ahead, please like, subscribe, leave any comments down below of any other looks, palettes, makeup that you want me to review, check out. Thank you. Bye. Bye.